The Deeper Well, a guided visual meditation by your life coach, Roy Grant. Placing a hand just beneath your chest, feel its warmth draw your attention inward. You are already beginning to let go. You are already beginning to access the deeper well. There is a deeper well inside you. Feel its depth at the base of your chest and feel it reach down, down, down through your abdomen, through your sacrum, and all the way down through the bottoms of your feet. Allow your consciousness to sink down, down, down with it, and allow your spirit to drink from the depths of this well. Here you find instant relief and complete sustenance. In this space, you are completely taken care of. You now have permission to completely let go. Every breath you take draws deeper and deeper from the well within you, healing all your aches and pains, physical and emotional, feeding every hunger, returning you to your natural state of wholeness. It is time to sink below the ego, time to sink below whatever story of pain you carry. Sink deep into your body, beneath the layers of flesh and muscle, letting the waters of the deeper well dissolve all external falsehoods like watercolors as you expand into the highest truth within you, which is your own limitlessness. Here you find who you really are. Here is the delectable divinity of your own inner light, shining forth, offering its secret sustenance. Here you are synonymous with Source. Here is God's space. Here you can drink from the source of the universe's love and be fed, be loved. Here you have no name, no story. Here you have no fear, for you remember everything is okay. You are a vessel, continuously overflowing, dripping over the brim from the inside out. In this state, you become your own lover, your own complete reassurance, your own savior, your own guardian, your own best friend, one with all the powers, beauty, and peace of the universe, because it is all inside you. Feel with every breath the endless wellspring of nourishing, healing energy moving up and down your body. You can let go of all that ails you now. All the calm, all the stillness, all the love, all the answers are inside you. They always were. You can receive pure love now. You are loved. You are so deeply loved. There is nothing you have to do. There is nothing you have to prove here. There is nothing you have to be or carry anymore. There is nothing left to want for. Let the water of the deeper well seep out of your pores now, creating a dewy, soft skin, wicking out any remaining poison, taking away the story until you are totally pure, your original state. You are now your raw and perfect original state, vibrating and humming and dripping with all the wealth and original joy of your truest spirit. Your body, your heart, your life, your true light has been reclaimed. You are everything. You already have it all. You came from infinite beauty and love, and there you will remain. Just be now. Allow yourself to just be. You simply are, and that in itself is enough. That in itself is healing. There is great peace here. There is great healing here. There is great love here. Dwell in your wholeness and feel the deeper well fill you to the brim. You are the universe, and all is well in it now and forevermore. All is well in you, now and forevermore. Look around you now from the state of your fullness with the eyes of love. As the world acts as a liquid mirror to your own inner light, you are one with it all. Everything appears glittering and lovely to you now, because you see Source in everything. Divinity sparkles within you. Divinity sparkles within all things. You are detached from and yet fully engaged with the beauty and healing energy behind everything. You are your own provider, and you are fulfilled and radiant. You see the light of divinity peering through all things now. You remember where you came from, and that is all that matters to you now. That is all you need to know. You see and live in the underlying truth. You are free now. You can be happy now. Everything is well now. Everything is love. All are fed by your light. It all comes from within.